Hi, this is Tracy, and I'm going to show you how to use the Haynes Library's website to check out online material. So the first thing is go to hayneslibrary.org, and that will take you to our home page. Then you will scroll down here to where you see Alaska Library Catalog. You'll type in what you're looking for. Say I'm looking for a book about wildflowers. I click search. I wait as my computer slowly loads the online catalog. All right. So now once I get to the online catalog, I'm going to look for the digital material that's available. And I'm going to go over here to all collections. And I'm going to choose Alaska Digital Library. And then search. And it still has wildflower, so whatever subject, author, title you're looking for will appear there. This will then take us to all of the digital material that's available for checkout right now. So those are ebooks, audiobooks, music. All right, when you see the book, movie, video that you would like to check out, you click here, access or download. You'll type in your card number and your PIN number. Your PIN number is the last 4 digits of your card. If you've forgotten or misplaced your card, you can email education@hayneslibrary, all one word, all lowercase, .org. education@hayneslibrary.org. And when you log in, you can check out that material. And you'll have that available online. Okay, thanks.